Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your SiteGround account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your SiteGround account. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the security section found in the left-hand menu of your SiteGround dashboard. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication and click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as an authentication app or SMS. Follow the instructions to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen method, confirm the changes and save your settings. You may need to enter a verification code to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your SiteGround account, enhancing your security.